Hi, welcome to Camlish.com. I'm teacher Emmy, and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Okay, let's now start our new lesson. Alright, let's start our discussion with lesson number 10. You can see here the topic is about thinking. Thinking. Okay, now let's read here the teacher's language below. You can see here. The first one is thank you. Next one, thanks a lot. Or I appreciate your help. Okay, now if the teacher says that, the student's language will be you're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, so that's just very simple. Now let's try to see how it's used in a dialogue here. Dialogue, teacher. Let's read. Jinsok, could you erase the board? So Jinsok, yes. And then he erases the board. Teacher said, thank you. Jinsok said, you're welcome. Okay, so that's very easy, right? Now let's see the other expressions. For number 1, when you say thank you, you could also say thanks a lot. Okay, let's try to go to the next page. Another one, or another way of saying thank you is this one. Thank you very much. Or, that was very helpful. Next one, I appreciate your help. Now, the other expressions for students, if the student said, you're welcome, you can also say, oh, that's okay. Alright, now you can see here the Korean translation of the dialogue that we've just read earlier. So that's very simple, right? Alright, so lesson 10 is very easy. Now let us go and discuss lesson number 11 right here. So the topic for lesson number 11 is telling students to be quiet. Okay? Topic again is telling students to be quiet. Alright, we can see here below the teacher's language. So if the teacher wanted to tell the students to be quiet, the teacher may say, please quiet down. Another one here is, everyone, you need to stop talking. Next one, I'm still waiting. Next one, we'll start when everyone is quiet. And last one, we can begin now. Okay, so those are the teacher's language. Now, to understand that, let's try to use that in a dialogue, and we can read it here below in this box. So, what's happening? The class is very noisy. Okay, so the class is very noisy. The teacher will say, please quiet down. The class is still noisy. Everyone, you need to stop talking. The class is still a little noisy. I'm still waiting. A few students are still talking. Teacher says again, we'll start when everyone is quiet. And then the students become quiet. The teacher finally says, that's good, we can begin now. Okay, so that's how it goes. Now let's try to see the next page. Okay, you can see here on the next page we're going to study about the other expressions. So for number 1, when the teacher said please quiet down, the teacher may also say please be quiet, or you need to be quiet. Are you following? Okay, number 2 now, you need to stop talking. Another way of saying this is you need to listen to me. or I need your attention. Okay? Number 3 now. We'll start when everyone is quiet. I won't start until you're quiet. I'm going to wait until the noise stops. When everybody is quiet, we can start. Okay? Now, number 4, we can begin now. Or I think we can start now. The last one right here is we're ready to start now. Okay, so there's another one. I guess we can get started now. Okay, so did you see the difference? Okay, but this examples below here just means the same, okay, as this one. Alright, now you can see here below the Korean translation of the dialogue, so you can read it first and so you can understand it better. Okay, now let's go on the next page. Okay, so this one, in this part, let's read getting students' attention. So the teacher, everyone look at me. Some of you are not paying attention. And then the students become quiet. Okay, now that's better. You need to stay quiet. Can you do that? The student said, yes, the teacher. Good, now we can start. Okay, now number 2. Teacher, who's talking? Stop chatting or talking right now. Sang-soo and Minho, what is it? Would you like to share what you're saying with the whole class? Sang-soo and Minho said, sorry. Okay, so that's it for all of the lessons that we're going to discuss for now for this video. I hope you listened carefully and understood our discussion. Again, I'm Teacher Emmy. Thank you for listening and see you in our next video lesson. Goodbye.